If suddenly your Samsung device has stopped ringing the alarm when you put your phone in mute or in vibration mode, then what you do is go ahead and open the clock application, and suppose I have set an alarm, and if I put my phone in vibration mode and if it does not ring when it is 5:20 am, then what I have to do is I have to tap on these three dotted icons here, go to settings, and if you see there is an option here, vibrate for alarms and timers. If it is enabled like this one, then what happens is alarms and timers will vibrate if your phone is set to mute or vibrate. You will still hear alarms when your phone is set to sound. That means if your phone is in mute or in vibration mode, the alarm will not ring. Your phone will vibrate, but you will not hear the sound. So what you have to do is you have to turn off this option.